The Omni series by SWIT is a lineup of mini V-mount batteries aimed at video professionals that currently consists of a 50 Wh version with a minimum load of 100 Watt and a 99 Wh version with a minimum load of 150 Watt. The Omni-50S and Omni-99S can be used as traditional external camera batteries, but also to charge and power other electronics such as lights, laptops or gimbal via D-tap, barrel DC output, USB-A and USB-C. By pressing the button right next to the LED screen, both units display basic information as to which ports are being used, the remaining time in minutes or hours, and the battery health level. The brightness intensity of the screen is fixed, but overall bright enough to check power consumption, etc., even outdoors in sunny locations. 3 ports can be accessed by opening the rubber cover on the top. USB-C, USB-A and barrel DC. Placed on the right side of the unit is the D-tap interface. The USB-C port has a maximum output of 65 Watt, while the USB-A port has 10 Watt. When charging the Omni-50S via USB-C, the input is up to 30 Watt and the Omni-99S features a maximum input of 48 Watt. The overall size and weight of both units is compact and lightweight, which means they can be easily mounted onto rigs and tripods or simply be placed onto a flat surface. When it comes to the exterior finish and design, the Omni series leaves a solid impression, which is vital when using batteries like these on all kinds of locations day in and day out. According to SWIT, the batteries should be drop-proof from a height of 1.2 meters and able to withstand temperatures between -20 degrees Celsius and +50 degrees Celsius. The main reason for us to use a multi-interface system like this is to be able to power different devices at the same time. During our 2-week testing period, we primarily used the batteries to power our main camera and to charge small electronics like microphones during filming breaks. When doing data transfers on set, I always make sure to power the used laptop to prevent a sudden crash, and this is exactly where a compact powering device like the Omni-99S can be used best. The average constant runtime we got was over 3 hours depending on the specific power consumption of the notebook. We also used both units to power small 60 Watt and 100 Watt lights via USB-C. What I noticed and was actually surprised by is the constant power output of 60 Watt even if the Omni batteries are below 15% remaining battery life, which is pretty impressive. When it comes to mounting the devices, there are almost no limits since there are plenty of accessories available to attach the batteries via a clamp or V-mount adapter to a light stand or any type of camera rig. According to SWIT, the Omni series features the company's own BMS chip and Sanyo lithium cells with a wire-free battery structure that should minimize any safety hazards. Even though this generation of pocket V-mount batteries isn't an entirely new invention, it's good to see more competition in the field. The 50S and 99S are a solid lineup of batteries that can not just be used to power cameras, but also filmmaking accessories without needing to worry about a drop in power output. Personally, I would also like to see an alternative lineup featuring an additional 100 Watt Type-C output to take full advantage of USB-C only powered gear. But nonetheless, the SWIT Omni-50S and Omni-99S don't have to hide behind the competition, which is also down to the tough exterior build that is crucial when being on set all day, either in a studio or on location.